Hi guys, welcome to Polytopic. In this video we are going to see the installation process of the Python. As we have seen how to download the Python in the last video, we have downloaded the Python and just click on it and click on the install and click on yes, and it will start installing. After installing the Python setup, then we are done with the installation process of the Python ideally. So here Python IDE is nothing but the integrated development environment. So with this we can start doing our Python programming. How to install we have seen so far. So from now we will see how to write the program in the Python ideally. So setup was successful, just close it. So now you click on the Windows key and type Python IDLE. Or just search IDLE. Yeah, IDLE. So click on this IDLE. So when you click on this IDLE, this kind of window will appears. So we'll start writing our first program in Python, that is the hello world program. So to print the hello world, so we have to use the keyword called print. So by using the print, so we have to write whatever the thing we need to print in. It should be under double quote or single quote. So hello world, so it should be under this double quotes. If we skip this, we will not get the output, we will get the error. So after writing this print hello world, we have to click on enter. We can see hello world is printed. Like similarly, we can do any kind of arithmetic operations, like for addition. Here hash symbol indicates that it's a comment, so it will be ignored by the interpreter. So now we'll do some arithmetic operations like addition. Additions like, let us take a is equal to sum 2 and b equal to sum 4, and just print a plus b. It's printed 6. So without taking a variable, we can take directly 1 plus 5. Hit enter. It is printing 6. Like we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Let's try with subtraction. Let's try like 10 minus 5. It will print 5. Or 20 by 4. It's 5.0. It will give the floating point value. If I give 20 by 3, it will give the exact value. Like we can do even multiplication. So 20 into 6, it's 120. Like addition, subtraction, multiplication, these are the basic arithmetic operations we can do in this Python ideally shell. So we are almost done. Like we are done with the Python installation, and we have done with the hello world program, and we have done the arithmetic operations. And in the next video we'll start doing the Python challenges, like how to print the Python patterns, like square patterns, triangular patterns, this kind of patterns, and we'll do many different challenges in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.